Hey Miss Mamas, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makeup Moo, and if you're new here, you might hear some sirens, and if not, you already know it's T-Saint. So today I'm going to be trying out the new Nars Tinted Moisturizers. And first of all, if you know me, you know how much I love Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. Like, that is my girl. Like, that foundation makes your skin look like skin. And no shade, no tea to MAC, but when MAC was trying to give the girls a tinted moisturizer back in the day, me and my MAC friends used to go to what's it called, Blue Mercury, and get the Nars tinted moisturizers instead. But what a lot of y'all might not know is that Nars came out with more shades. So the shades that I'm going to be trying today is Havana Medium Deep 3 and Marrakesh Medium Deep 2. Okay, so I'm going to compare both shades on my face and tell you guys which ones I like the most. But before we get into the tutorial, let me just give you a little bit of the stats. You know, we got to give the stats. So the tinted moisturizer is supposed to be lightweight, have vitamin C, which I'm actually really happy about. I love incorporating vitamin C into my skincare routine. So I'm actually happy that this has vitamin C in it, and it also has SPF 30. Like, girl, you can't beat it. It's also supposed to be sheer with buildable coverage, which honestly I can attest to. Like, this, you could definitely build the coverage on this if you want, and it's honestly very similar to me to the actual foundation. It's just much more lightweight. So if you like the foundation, I would definitely check this out. But I'm giving y'all too much tea before the tutorial. Let's actually test the product. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting with the clean, fresh face. I do have on a little brow, a little lash, and a little gloss, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm gonna do medium deep 2 on one half and medium deep 3 on the other half, so y'all could, you know, get the gist of, you know, what the shades are given. So personally, when I apply moisturizer, I like to use my fingers and clean hands, of course. Okay, so let's see what Marrakesh is giving on this side. So, ooh, just I might could use this shade in the winter, but just off my first initial thoughts about the product is that it's so smooth. I actually think I put a little bit too much on my fingers, but it's so smooth and it's doing what it says. It's definitely giving me a really nice glow. It's covering pretty well, and also what I do like about this product is that it's buildable. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can use a brush, you can use your beauty blender if you want, and you could just build on the coverage that you want. But baby girl, it's 90 something degrees outside, okay? So less is more, right? So I'm just putting some on all over. I don't think this shade is best for me right now because I've been outside, got a little bit of a tan, but I definitely think that I could probably wear this in the cooler months if I want to. If I wanted to, I could add more, but I honestly want to see, sorry, I'm just cleaning my fingers. I honestly want to see what Havana is going to give us, because I feel like Havana is going to be the shade for now. So let's see what Havana gives. Yes, this is much, much better. This is the shade, honey. And honestly, if I wanted to, I could really mix the shades, but honestly, I feel like Havana is our girl. I'm just gonna add more here. Wow, this shade is gorgeous. And I honestly feel like she's matching perfectly. You know what I love about a good tinted moisturizer? Like, you could just put her on and go on about your day. It's giving a nice, even, you know, layer of coverage to really just amplify and enhance your beauty. Now, so yes, I'm definitely going with Havana. I'm just going to put a little bit on top of Marrakesh, okay? Because she's not giving on the side to me. Like, I could probably do her in the winter, like I said, but we're going to put Havana on top of her. Wow, y'all, this is some really, really nice coverage, and this is the perfect alternative to me, you know, for these hot summer days. Like, it's not giving a full face of full coverage foundation. Like, no thanks. Put a little bit more on my forehead, y'all. So guys, without any other product on my face, this is what the Tinted Moisturizer is giving. I feel like it just gave me a nice even layer of skin. Like, it's just like my skin but better. So this is definitely a yes for me. I'm going to be wearing Havana for the rest of the summer. No shade, no tea. But I do want to finish my whole makeup look, so I'm going to add some concealer. Now, I will say I did try to go get me some Nars concealer, y'all, but of course they didn't have my shade. Sephora, y'all be slacking a little bit. Every time I go, y'all don't never have what the girl needs. But anyway, I'm just going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai. Just up under my eyes a little bit for extra coverage, you know. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit of mocha as well, just to brighten up under. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend her out and set her with, of course, the Mercier setting powder. I mean, duh. Ain't nothing new, ain't nothing changed. Okay. Y'all, and I don't know if I ever really talked about this on my channel, but I sweat real bad on my nose and on top of my lips, so I'm just definitely adding some powder there as well. I know I told y'all about my laugh line, so you already know I'm putting a little bit of powder right there too. So now I'm just gonna quickly bronze up my face because I'm actually about to leave out, so I might as well just do the whole shebang. So I'm just bronzing using Makeup Revolution and Enrobe. Y'all already know my tea. If you're new here, y'all better get into these bronzes, okay? And I wouldn't be me if I didn't add a little bit of burnt peppers on my cheeks. I mean, hello, it's me. I win, you lose. Nicki Minaj just be saying anything. But yeah, y'all know it wouldn't be me if I did not add my burnt peppers, okay? I be needing my cheeks to be looking rosy, mamas. And I'm keeping her just like this today. This is my look for today. Like, literally, I'm about to finish getting dressed. And this is what I'm giving. A quick beat. This is why I love Tinted Moisturizers, because it's giving, oh, let me just, and we done. All right, guys. So this is my look for today. If you don't have this Tinted Moisturizer yet, sis, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Like... girl, get into it. But yeah, y'all, I gotta go. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the product. Like, do you like how it's looking on my skin? Have you even tried it? Let me know, sis. Y'all know I love to chit chats. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.